Hi, I'm Graham Booth, watercolour painter, and I want to introduce you to the new series of books from Search Press, Ready to Paint in 30 Minutes. Each book guides you through the process of painting using around 30 little projects, each one designed to take no more than 30 minutes and each one painted on a postcard-sized piece of paper. When you've finished with these subjects, you will have a resource that will allow you to paint your own painting, as well as 30 little individual pieces of art in their own right. Each book is designed to save you time, so if you've no time for the drawing, not to worry, there are tracings in every book for every single project to let you get into the painting straight away. Using these books is like taking a structured course. Put simply, you start with tracing the outline onto your paper, follow the steps, and in 30 minutes you will have a finished painting. Each book has over 30 quick and easy skill building projects for you to work through, and at the beginning of each project it will show you exactly what material you need for that project. This is one of the almost 30 exercises in the book, and each exercise is designed to give you a little taster of the different aspects of a street scene. In this one we're looking at palm trees. The palm trees will be really useful to give your holiday paintings that extra bit of life. You start off with simple strokes with the brush. When the first wash is dry, we can simply go over some of the previous marks just to give more body to the trees. All of these projects are designed to take no more than 30 minutes to complete. And armed with the knowledge that you'll gain with each of these projects, you'll be able to go ahead and do your own street scenes. And if you're lucky enough to have palm trees where you live, this will be the ideal project for you. Each project comes with a pre-printed tracing that allows you to quickly get the drawing down on paper. Now, that's not to say you shouldn't draw it yourself, but the tracings make it easy to get straight into the painting. And when you've tried all 30 projects, you will have a portfolio of exercises that will be a great help in tackling your street scene.